Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about remote machine learning jobs.
We're not just talking about any jobs, but rather positions that'll pay top dollar for your skills and let you work from anywhere.
Needless to say, it is indeed one of the hottest and most sought-after opportunities in the remote work world. Higher salaries, complete flexibility, and building AI systems from anywhere are on your mind? Then this video is for you. So hit that subscribe button, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to your next career move. Without any further ado, let's get started. Here's something wild. Companies are now hiring machine learning engineers they've never met face-to-face. No awkward small talk by the water cooler, just pure remote collaboration on cutting-edge AI projects, all working remotely. Here's what nobody tells you about landing these positions. There's a specific playbook that successful remote ML professionals follow.
And that's exactly what we're covering today. All proven strategies that will equip you from a clueless job seeker to a competent ML professional.
Strategy number 1. Build an unshakable technical foundation. But not just Python basics. You need to understand object-oriented programming, functional concepts, and design patterns. Next up, mathematics, because linear algebra helps you understand how neural networks actually transform data through matrix operations. You need a PhD, but you need more than high school stuff. Probability and statistics also lets you evaluate LM's performance.
Pick one deep learning framework and master it completely. TensorFlow or PyTorch, doesn't matter, but go deep and know it inside and out.
Strategy number 2. Choose your specialization wisely. Generalist machine learning engineers are great, but specialists make the big money. Computer vision is almost everywhere. From medical imaging that detects tumors to autonomous vehicles recognizing objects in real time. Natural language processing is another goldmine. Every company wants their own ChatGPT-style application. AI tools have proven that AI can also create, not just analyze. So pick one area that genuinely excites you.
Strategy number 3, create a portfolio that actually gets you hired. Your GitHub is your resume, more important than degree or job titles.
Strategy number 4, never stop learning, ever. Machine learning evolves at an insane pace. What's cutting edge 6 months ago is already outdated. And here's a beautiful thing about remote work. Geographic arbitrage, a real income multiplier. The absolute superpower to earn Silicon Valley salaries while living somewhere with much lower costs. Entry-level remote machine learning positions usually offer up to $50,000 a year, all the way up to six-figure salaries.
Disclaimer, please note that all salary ranges mentioned are arbitrary numbers and are often determined by multiple factors,
Including but not limited to geographic location, experience, skills, and company size, and may be adjusted
based on the full details of the compensation package, including benefits, equity, bonuses, and other perks.
So you now know what's out there. But how do you actually find these jobs and get hired? Step 1. Stop looking for remote jobs in wrong places. Generic job boards simply waste your time.
We may be biased, but signing up for our free Remote Job Central newsletter can be your best choice. And of course, you don't have to take our word for granted. Please see our reviews.
Step 2. Recruiters actively search LinkedIn, so make yourself findable. Load your profile with relevant keywords. Step 3. Your resume needs to communicate value quickly. Recruiters spend less than 6 seconds on initial screening. Step 4. Thoughtful cover letters differentiate you from other candidates. Research the company, mention why their mission excites you.
All right, let's wrap this up. We've covered proven strategies for landing remote machine learning jobs. The competition is global, but the opportunities are absolutely real. By developing the right skills and crafting targeted applications, you can build a rewarding career from anywhere.
Your dream remote role is an email away. What are you waiting for? Now it's time to take action and make it happen.
Sign up for our free Remote Jobs newsletter to get exclusive access to curated remote listings directly in your email inbox. Stay informed and explore resources like our Remote Jobs Central blog for the latest information about remote jobs.
What's your thoughts on this? Please share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for your time watching this so far. I'll see you on the other one. Take care.